much of the world wanted. We may be about to see some of the grand entertainers of the game. It could all come down to a few centimetres. Supports goals! United again! The newly crowned champions of England are the new champions of Europe!
La Champions por tercera vez en su historia.
What about that?
Messi steps up to the plate.
Will be a very English occasion.
Corto, Felipe Andrés. ¡Golazo de Andrés Iniesta!
Number 2! Oh my word! That's incredible! That is genius!
Really? Magical Manchester United!
2, 3, 4. Oh, brilliant! The most talented footballer